Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're going to see 2400 Cedarwood Court. This custom home is on just under half an acre. Let's take a look. I love the scale of this large dining room for large tables and gatherings. Plus, you have access to the sundeck, the barbecue deck, or the screen patio. The main level study is a perfect place to get those projects done, or it could be a guest room. There's great living space in this home. There's a full bath on the main level that's adjacent to the study area. Everyone always congregates in the kitchen, and this is a wonderful gathering space for big events. You have a great island with eating bar, there's a planning desk, walk-in pantry, plus the nook opens up into a two-story great room with a fireplace. Entertaining can happen easily from the great room also to the screen patio. The grand foyer has a beautiful gallery overlook. There are 4 generously scaled bedrooms on the upper level and 3 full baths. The finished walkout lower level is like an entire home. You have a recreation room, a media space, plus there's a study that could stand alone as another guest suite, plus there's unfinished storage in 2 sides, plus a utility garage. I love this extra utility garage on the lower level, plus there's great off-season storage. This cul-de-sac lot has a beautiful park-like feel. They have a fire pit area, steps up to a hot tub and a barbecue area, sun deck, and a screen patio. Thanks for touring 2400 Cedarwood Court. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com. Feel free to go onto my website for additional information or to contact me.